Hey friends, this is Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. In this video today, I will test another portable car multimedia screen. This is a 9.3-inch screen from the famous PODOFO company. It's an ideal solution for all those people who don't have a screen in their cars, or if they have a screen, it's not a multimedia screen. This PODOFO portable screen adds life to your car. Now let's first do the unboxing and then we will test the performance of this 9.3-inch PODOFO portable CarPlay screen. So keep watching, guys. What we get is a user manual. It's a user manual in English only. So you get an aux cable for audio. Then you've got the power cable. This is the cigarette lighter power cable and it comes with a long probably a few meters long cable. And then you also get a HD reverse camera or the back camera. And again, it comes with a very long cable, so you can easily install this in any size of the car. All right, and then finally you get this sticking pad. Now this sticks on the dashboard. So as you can see, this is a two-sided sticking pad. So one end sticks to the dashboard, on the other end you remove this plastic and the other end sticks to the screen. So it sits nicely on the dashboard of your car, and I'll show you how to do that later on in this video. Alright, so now let's have a closer look at this PODOFO 9.3-inch portable car screen. Let's take this off. Let's take this off as well. So this is a very nice size. It's a 9.3-inch landscape kind of a layout. I like this layout compared to the squarish design. So it's quite nice. It's very lightweight. Again, this is the bracket for mounting it on the dashboard. So this also comes with a sticking pad. Now on top you see the power button. And when you look at the back, you've got this fixed front camera. This is a high resolution camera and you can move this to adjust the view as well, like that. Now this comes with built-in speakers as well. You can see it here. A lot of spacing for air ventilation so the device doesn't heat up. Alright, so in terms of the connections, you have the Type-C, this is for power. Then you've got the AV in, this is for the rear view camera. Then you've got a TF card or the SD card slot to record the footage that you get from the front camera. And the good thing is that you do get a freebie. It comes with a free 64 GB SD card pre-installed. And then you have the audio aux cable connection here. So in terms of the connections, very simple standard connections. You get a very high resolution front camera. You can connect a rear view camera as well. It's got built-in powerful speaker, but you can connect it with aux cable for better output, or you can connect this through the FM transmission, which I will show you later on in this video. Alright, now let me take this out to my car and I'll show you how to set this up on the dashboard, and then we will switch it on and start testing the different functions and features of this PODOFO 9.3-inch portable car screen. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so I've set this PODOFO A3073 smart car screen on the dashboard of my car. The ideal place for this is right in the middle of the dashboard, but because I already have a 12-inch screen installed, I'm setting this up right in front of the steering wheel on the dashboard just to make this video. But looks quite nice. One really good thing about this is the base. It's a very stable and wide base. As you can see, it's a very stable wide base, and with the sticking pad and the sticking tape, you can stick this permanently on the dashboard and it will not move, vibrate while you drive the car. And this is a plug and play device. You can set this up yourself. You don't need any sort of professional help to set this up. You just need to connect the power adapter to the cigarette lighter adapter to switch this on. Alright, so now let me give you a quick overview of the layout. So you've got the date and time on the top left, then you've got the home button. Now on the main screen you've got these 5 icons, but you can actually swipe to the left and get to see more apps that are available on this screen. You click on this home button, brings you back to the main home page. The next one is brightness, so you can adjust the brightness of this screen. Then you've got the FM transmission. Now you can connect the portable screen's audio to the sound system of your car, and I'll show you how to do that later on. You can also use the built-in speakers. Now the built-in speakers on this device are very powerful. So if you don't want to connect the sound to the system of your car, you can simply use the built-in speakers, and that's loud enough for any car. Then you've got the settings area. So let me take you through the different setting options here. So you've got the record resolution, so you can adjust the resolution of the footage that gets recorded from the front camera as well as the rear view camera. You've got the split time, so you can set the time of the footage files that are saved on the SD card that was installed. You have the microphone option. You can mirror the image that you get on the screen. Then you've got the screensaver, the voice control. You've got the driving position adjustment, so you can adjust this to a right hand or a left hand drive. You have the reverse line calibration as well. So once you install the rear view camera, then you can set the guiding lines on the screen. That helps you to park the car. Now I already have a reverse camera installed in this car, so I'm not going to install the reverse camera that came with the box, but it's a very simple process. Alright, so now let's come back to the main home page. As I said, I'm extremely impressed with the quality of the screen. It's a very clear, bright screen. The colors are extremely nice as well. So alright, so the first thing I would like to do is actually connect the audio of this portable screen to the sound system of my car, and it's a very easy process. You just need to go to this audio output section, click on this, and here you have options of either using this built-in speaker. You can connect audio to the CarPlay or Android Auto system. You can set this up with the FM transmitter that connects with the sound system of the car, or you can connect it physically, use the aux audio cable that was in the box, connect it with the portable screen, and the other end connect it with the aux slot in your car. So quite a few options of how to connect the sound coming from this portable screen to the sound system of your car. So in this video I will connect the FM transmission. It's a very easy process. You just need to go to the frequency on this screen, 105.7. you can change that as well, and on the radio of your car you just need to match the same frequency. So as you can see, 105.7 on the portable screen, and I'm matching the same on the radio of my car, 105.7 FM. Right, so as soon as you do that, now the audio is directly connected with the sound system of my car. Alright, so the first thing I would like to test on this portable screen is connecting to the Apple CarPlay system wirelessly. So we click on this Apple CarPlay icon, confirm the switch to Apple CarPlay, and now you get all the instructions on the screen on how to connect this with the Apple CarPlay system. So what we need to do is take our iPhone, open the Bluetooth settings, and look for this new device as T86, the same name appearing on the screen. Click on this, pair the device, allow it to sync contacts and favorites, and then click use CarPlay. So that's it. Very simple, easy. This is a one-time setup process. As soon as you connect it with your mobile, you will get the homepage of Apple CarPlay on your screen. This is the standard Apple CarPlay homepage with all the applications that are compatible and available on your phone are appearing on the screen here, and you can then use all the different options. You can make calls, music, navigation, anything that you can do on CarPlay. In fact, you can use the voice assistant as well, like Siri, and we can test that right now. Hey Siri, play some music. This music is coming out of the sound system of the car, not the portable screen, because we've already connected it with the FM transmission, and I can use the steering wheel control to control the volume. Alright, so hey Siri, take me to Dubai Mall. There you go. So you can use Siri to navigate as well. If you don't want to use Siri, you can just use this touch screen to select a location, and the navigation looks quite nice with this very good layout of the screen. Alright, so one very important thing that I'd like to test with this portable screen is when I switch on the car, does it take me directly to the home page of Apple CarPlay if the Apple CarPlay is connected and the Bluetooth on my iPhone is on?
It's a very important test because this should be a very quick connect smart screen. So every time you switch on the car, you don't have to play around with the portable screen and do the connection with your iPhone again. So it should automatically connect with your mobile and take you to the home page of Apple CarPlay. So that's very important for any portable car screen. So what I'm going to do now is unplug the device and then plug it back in and then see if the screen connects with my iPhone and takes me directly to the home page of Apple CarPlay without me clicking on anything. So it takes about 4 or 5 seconds for the screen to start. FM transmission has been turned on because we've already connected the sound to the car. It's already on, so we don't have to connect that again. That's good. Now this system should take me directly to the Apple CarPlay. There you go. So extremely impressive, and it's very fast. It takes about 4 or 5 seconds for the device to switch on, power up, and then probably another 4 or 5 seconds to take us directly to the home page of Apple CarPlay. So this is all right. Now let's connect the wireless Android Auto. So we click on the Android Auto icon. Again, you get all the instructions on the screen on how to connect it. What you need to do is on your Android mobile, I've got my Samsung, go to the Bluetooth settings, open Bluetooth, look for a new device as T86, click on it, then pair the device, and that's it. It's an easier process compared to the CarPlay on iPhone. You just get one message of pairing, click OK, and then it will take you directly to the home page of wireless Android Auto on the screen. There you go. So this is the home page of the new Android Auto Cool Walk version. Looks extremely nice, and again, because of the layout of the screen, it comes out quite nicely. So you've got the navigation right in the middle, you've got the media playing on the right side, and then you've got the shortcut menu or icons on the left side here. So you've got the map, you've got voice assistant, you've got calls, settings, and right at the bottom is where you go to the full screen view. So this is the navigation. If you want the full screen navigation, just click on this map, you get a full screen. You can click on this again to get a split screen view. If you click this dots on the top bottom left, you actually see all the different applications, the apps that are installed or compatible with the Android Auto system. Like these, you can go to the settings, change the look and feel of Android Auto, change the wallpaper icon and so on. But again, it's a standard Android Auto system that now appears on the screen here. Now again, I won't test everything because once Android Auto is connected, all the functionality is enabled, like making calls, music and all. But the important. All right, so then we have this DVR. This is the front camera, and it is voice enabled as well. So when you're on the home page, you can say front camera, okay, and the system will take you directly to the front camera view. Now this view is for the front camera, but if you have the rear view camera installed, then you also get an option of having a split screen view. So you can split with the left side showing the front camera and the right side showing you the back view. So and within this, you've got options of recording. It's automatically recording, and I'll show you how the footage looks through the SD card file. And then you've got options of taking images, locking the screen, setting up the microphone, voice enable, voice input, and so on. So all the standard settings are available for the DVR as well, and you can actually go back, and on this playback area is where you have all the files from the recording saved. So you can just simply select a file, and then you can play like this, and you've got the date and timestamp here as well. Now the quality of the front camera, which is a very high definition, is extremely good. As you can see, it's very clear. You can easily make out the number plates on the car. It's very bright and crisp as well. So quite impressive front camera on this one. Now let's come back. We've already tested the audio output, which we've connected with the FM transmission. Now let's go to the next page. Now this is where you can actually have the Apple CarPlay, Android casting, the Bluetooth music. Now you can connect your mobile with this device through the Bluetooth to have to play music, to make calls and other things. But you can do the same with the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto system, so you don't really need this. Then you can also connect through the Wi-Fi system to have videos played on this. which you can also do it through the mobile screen mirroring that I'll show you now. Now I'll show you the Apple AirPlay, which is the iPhone mobile screen mirroring, but you can follow the same instructions for the Android mobile screen mirroring through the Android casting here. So what you need to do is click on Apple CarPlay, confirm the switch, and then again you get all the instructions on the screen on how to connect this with the mobile for the mobile screen mirroring. So the process is simple. What you need to do is you just need to go to your iPhone again, open Wi-Fi and look for this on the Wi-Fi car link. Click on this car link and then it automatically connects with the car link system. In case your mobile asks for a password, the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8. So once you're connected, just from the top right, go to mobile or screen mirroring, then select smart screen, and that's it. So now the mobile is mirrored on the screen here. So this is probably the best feature for me about this device. You can go to any application and you can see that it's very nicely mirrored on the screen here. And in fact, you can also play videos like YouTube or other video streaming apps on the mobile, which will then be mirrored on the screen here. And I'll show you how to do that. There you go. You can see now you're getting the same image on the screen, no delay or lag of any sort. And remember, the sound is coming out of the system of my car. So you can increase the sound to maximum. Looks quite nice. So that's it, guys. This was a very quick review of this PODOFO A3073 smart screen and the portable CarPlay screen. Very, very impressive. Now, PODOFO is a very well known. They've been in this business for more than 10 years. They make amazing car gadgets, car accessories. Very impressive portable screen, I must say. The two things I love about this device, one is the quality of the screen. It's very, very clear, bright, and the colors are very nice. And number two is the connection speed. So when you're connecting this with your Apple CarPlay or the Android Auto for the first time, as well as when you switch on the car, the reconnection speed is very, very fast. So another very impressive function on this. And finally, the mobile screen mirroring is amazing. One of my favorite features that I use on most of these devices. So all in all, very, very good portable screen. This is an ideal product for people who don't have a car screen, or for people who have a screen in their car which is not a multimedia screen. So this is an ideal product for all those people. If you like it, if you're interested, you can simply go to the link in the description of this video. That takes you directly to the official store where you can buy this very nice 9.3-inch PODOFO A3073 portable smart car screen. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video.